Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we have a new topic and our topic name is living and non-living thing. Let's start our chapter. It's chapter number 11, living and non-living things. Let's come and start our chapter. In this world, there is many kinds of things. Someone is living and some is non-living. Like human being is living thing and cycle, bicycle, motor car, these all are non-living things. Things we see around us, we divide it into two groups. First one is living and second one is non-living things. Living things and non-living things. Plants, animals and human beings are called living things. They can move here and there, they all are living things. Bus, car, bat, ball, etc. They are non-living things. They count in non-living things because they cannot breathe. That's why they are non-living things. Sun, mountains, river, etc. all found in nature on their own. They are called natural things. They are not living or not non-living. They are natural things. Things made by men are called man-made things. They are made by us, like toys, vehicles, furniture, etc. They are man-made things. All man-made and natural things are non-living things. ये क्या है? They all are non-living things. They cannot breathe. Living thing and non-living thing are different from each other in many ways. That means there is various difference between non-living and living things. Now, our first point is living things move. Yes, it's true. Living thing can move. All living things move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Have you seen a dog, a cow moving from one place to another? Yes, we can see. Fish swim in water, birds fly in air, and human being walks. Yes, it's true. We can see fish. We can see dogs and cows moving here and there, and we also see humans can moving here and there. They all are living things. All things living, all these living things move from one place to another on their own. ये अपने आप move करती हैं one place to another place. Plants are also living thing, but they cannot move here and there. They not move from one place to another, but they show movement in their parts. They are growing. It is movement of plants. For example, a sunflower always face the sun. Sunflower का जो face होता है वो हमेशा face करता है sun को. Why does a sunflower face east in the morning and west in the evening? What is the reason behind it? The touch me not. That means mimosa, like छुई मुई जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं. Plants should move by closing or their leaves when touch. उनको छूने से ही वो अपनी leaves को close कर लेता है, बंद कर लेता है. Non-living things do not move on their own. A chair moves from one place to another. A chair moves from one place, from its place when it move it. वो हम move करेंगे तभी उसे one place to another place ले जाया जा सकता है. Otherwise, it cannot move. Now, second one is living things need foods. All living things need food to grow and energy. Food gives energy to work. Animals move one place to another in search of food and water. They eat plants and other animals. Green plants make their own foods with the help of air, light, water, and soil. We see a cow who eats grass. We see a children who eats food. Green plants make their food old. Now, non-living things do not need food. जो non-living things है, उन्हें फूड की नीड नहीं होती. Like chair, glass, pens and etc. They do not need food. All living things grow in size. You know, when a baby is born, it is very small, but it grows into a child when a boy, then a boy or a girl, and later a man or woman. In the same way, animals also grow. First stage is a baby, second is boy, next one is a man. It is growing stage. Now, a chicken is grow into a hen. पहले chicken होता है, फिर वो grow कर लेता है in the face of a hen. A hen lays egg which develop into chickens and then into a hens. In the same way, a seed of a plant develops into a baby plant which grow into a big tree. First one, seeds होता है वो develop करता है in the plant or plants develop into a big tree. Now, all living things breathe. जितने भी living things है, they can breathe. They take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. हम carbon dioxide को बाहर निकालते हैं और ऑक्सीजन को हम इन करते हैं. Most animals and human beings breathe through the nose. Fish breathes from gills. Fish किससे gills करती है? Breathe gills से. Insects like butterflies, mosquito, etc. breathe from small hole present in their skin. इनके skins में small holes होते हैं. They can breathe from this. These holes are called spicules. Earthworms breathe through the skin. Plants breathe through the small pores present under their leaves. These pores are called stomata. Now, non-living things do not breathe. Now, living things feel. जितने भी living things हैं, they can feel. All living things can feel the changes around them. Our sense organs have to feel the changes around us. In winters, we shiver and we sweat in a very hot. Winters में हमें सर्दी लगती है और summers में हमें गर्मी hot लगती है on a hot day. We laugh when we are happy and cry when we are sad. It's also part of feeling. Plants and animals can also feel the changes around them with the help of their body. Living leaves of touch me, not plant clothes when touched. A cat runs on seeing a dog. Now, living thing can, non-living thing can do not feel. Have you ever seen a door cry when we tied a screw in it? कभी हमने देखा है कि डोर जो है वो रो रहा है जब हम इसमें स्क्रू टाइट कर रहे हैं? No. When we bang on a table with a scale, does it cry? No. It means non-living thing do not feel. Now, living thing reproduce. Living thing reproduce their younger one. Reproduction is a process through while a living being give birth to a younger one of its own kids. A cow gives birth a calf. Cow का baby one, younger one है. A woman give a birth to a baby. Women a baby को birth करती है. Birds lays eggs from these younger ones come out and slowly grow into adults. Plants produce seeds which develop into seedlings and then into big plants. Some plants produce new plants from roots, stems, leaves, etc. Rose plants grow from the stem cutting. Rose जो plants होता है वो grow कैसे किया जाता है? Stem को काट के अलग लगा दिया जाता है. They are stem cutting plants. Non-living thing do not reproduce. Have you ever seen a table giving birth to a small table? No, we can't see. Our chapter has been completed. Let's come and rewind our chapter. Things can be divided into two parts, living and non-living things. Living things need food to grow, repair, fields, and reproduce. Non-living things do not need food, grow, repairs, fields, and reproduce. Natural things are found in natures. Man-made things are made by man or us. From this, our chapter has been completed. I hope you all are understood and enjoying this chapter. It's enough for today. Thank you.